Here we will write a program to explain relational operator overloading. So first in comment line we will write relational operators are less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, less than, equal to, or greater than or equal to. So first we will define a class as relational operator and we will define constructor with one parameter with self and value. Then we will assign this constructor variable to local variable as self.value equal to value, and then we will write magical method for relation operator less than. So def lt, which is less than, and self comma value 2, and here we will check if self.value less than value 2, we will return true, else we will return false. Then we will write magical method for greater than, which is gt, with self comma value 2, and here also we will check if self dot value greater than value 2, we will return true, else we will return false. Then we will write method for equal to as eq self comma value 2, and here also we will check if self dot value equal to value 2, we will return true, else we will return false. Then we will write method for not equal to, which is ne with self comma value 2, and here also we will check if self dot value is not equal to value 2, we will return true, else we will return false. Then we will write string method, which is used to convert the output to string. So def str for self, it will return string of self dot value. Then we will create object for this class relational operator, and for first object I will pass value 4. Then I will create second object as relation operator with value 6, and then we will assign num equal to num1 less than num2, and we will print less than num. Then we will check num1 is greater than num2 and we will print greater than. Then we will check num1 equal to num2 and not equal to. I will give here double equal to since we are comparing it, and we execute this. It will print less than true, greater than false, equal to false, and not equal to true. We will print the object value also. So print value of object, and we will print num1 and num2, and we execute. It will print the object value 4 and 6. So 4 less than 6 is true, 4 greater than 6 is false, 4 equal to 6 is also false, and 4 not equal to 6 is true. Here we have used magical method for relational operator overloading.